Hope everybody's having a good day today. This is April 11th, 2018. Had to go run an errand and now I can get back. And with this storm, that I was talking about last night, I just want to put it out there that this possibly could mean, a literal storm too. So everybody needs to watch out for that, because a lot of times this stuff has a double meaning, and meaning that it's possible to have a very literal, deep, low pressure storm and, literally bomb out, drop 24 or more millibars, in a 24-hour period, and not parabolically, but literally, it's possible to produce 60 to 70 mile an hour winds. And I'm just putting it out there because I think there's a chance of, having this storm be literal as well. And, meaning with literal severe weather, tornadoes, high winds, maybe some flash flooding, and just really crazy. I've looked at some weather, and they were saying that be a storm coming, and I'm gonna keep this short. I'm just saying that, emphasizing this could have a double meaning. Meaning parabolic and symbolic, according to the Bible, and then literal. A literal, wind, storm, and severe weather event in the heartland of the East Coast, affecting everything from, northern Florida all the way to Maine. And I think that may be possible. I said may be possible. I didn't guarantee it to happen, but I kind of feel conviction that it could. And my mother, was having trouble, with the lamp, and the lamp is Jesus Christ, and we need to remember to keep our lamps lit and things like that, and that's what that means. And Jesus' power, and there was a power outage, in the dream last night, and during the tribulation, the world will basically, have hell on earth, according to what the Bible says and the looks of it. And, Jesus' power, and, for a week, 7 days, or 7 years, the world, is turned into hell. It's a power outage. And, the tribulation is parabolic for a storm. And I just thought I would add that to it, but on this, need to also look out for a literal storm. And I hope everybody has a good day and a blessed day, and God send them healing and love. I'm just saying, weather's getting bad, and felt like I need to say something else.